In this video, I will show you how to connect Runkeeper to Google Fit. First, open your Google Fit app. At the bottom right, tap on your profile, then go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Track Your Activities with Health, and make sure it's turned on and connected. Next, go back to your home screen and open the Runkeeper app. Tap on the Settings icon at the upper right. From there, go to Apps and Devices. Scroll down, select Apple Health, then tap Connect. Choose Turn on All, then tap Allow to sync everything. Finally, open the Apple Health app, go to your profile, scroll down, and tap Apps. Here you will see that Runkeeper is now connected. And that's how to connect Runkeeper to Google Fit.